Looking for the best Adirondack chair sets in 2026? In this video, we review the top 5 outdoor Adirondack chair sets for patios, decks, gardens, and backyards. We compare comfort, durability, weather resistance, design, and overall value to help you find the perfect seating for relaxing outdoors. Whether you want modern poly lumber chairs or classic wooden styles, this 2026 Adirondack chair review covers the best options for every outdoor space and budget. Number 5. The Snape Oversized Folding Adirondack Chair Set of 4 is a durable and stylish outdoor seating option designed for comfort, convenience, and long-term outdoor use. Made from premium HDPE material, these chairs are built to resist fading, peeling, moisture, mildew, and harsh weather conditions, making them ideal for patios, gardens, decks, poolside areas, and fire pits. The bold red finish adds a vibrant touch that stands out beautifully in any outdoor setup. One of the biggest advantages is the folding design, allowing the chairs to collapse flat within seconds for easy storage and transport. Whether stored in a garage, shed, or car trunk, the space-saving design makes these chairs practical for both home and travel use. Locking bolts help keep the chairs stable and wobble-free while seated. Comfort is another highlight. The oversized design, ergonomic curved backrest, and 105-degree recline angle provide excellent spinal support for relaxing outdoors. Wide armrests add extra comfort, making these chairs perfect for long evenings around the fire pit or sunny afternoons by the pool. Customers praise the chairs for their sturdy construction, attractive appearance, and simple assembly process. The HDPE surface is also easy to clean with just water, keeping maintenance minimal. With their weather-resistant build, foldable portability, and comfortable seating, the Snape Adirondack chair set offers outstanding value and reliable outdoor performance for 2026. Number 4. The Green Vines Adirondack chair set with ottoman is a premium outdoor seating solution that combines comfort, durability, and stylish design for patios, poolside areas, decks, and fire pits. Made from high-quality HDPE plastic, these chairs offer the realistic appearance of painted wood while delivering superior resistance to moisture, fading, cracking, peeling, and harsh weather conditions. The vibrant blue finish adds a refreshing pop of color to any outdoor setting. One of the standout features is the retractable ottoman, which allows users to stretch out and relax comfortably while enjoying the outdoors. The chairs also include 2 hidden cup holders built into the armrests, providing convenient space for drinks, phones, or small accessories without cluttering the design. The slatted seat design helps rainwater drain quickly, keeping the chairs dry and low maintenance. Comfort is excellent thanks to the ergonomic design and spacious seating area. Each chair supports up to 400 pounds, making them sturdy enough for a wide range of users. Customers frequently praise the solid construction, comfortable seating position, and realistic wood-like appearance. The foldable design is another major advantage, allowing easy storage during winter or when space is limited. Assembly can take some time, but most users say the process becomes easier after completing the first chair. Overall, the Green Vines Adirondack chair set delivers durability, functionality, and comfort, making it a fantastic outdoor furniture option for 2026. Number 3. The LUE Bona HDPS Adirondack chair set of 4 combines classic outdoor style with modern durability, making it an excellent choice for patios, decks, gardens, and fire pit areas. Crafted from high-quality HDPS material with a realistic wood-textured finish, these chairs are designed to handle all-season outdoor conditions without cracking, rotting, or fading like traditional wood furniture. The sleek black color adds a clean and timeless look that blends easily with almost any outdoor decor. One standout feature is the hidden retractable cup holder built into the wide armrests. It keeps beverages secure while maintaining a clean, uncluttered design when not in use. This smart feature makes the chairs ideal for relaxing by the pool, around a fire pit, or on the porch with friends and family. Comfort is another major strength. The spacious seat design, ergonomic recline angle, and supportive backrest create a cozy seating experience for extended outdoor lounging. Each chair supports up to 350 pounds, giving users confidence in its sturdy construction. Customers frequently praise the chairs for being stylish, durable, and surprisingly comfortable, with many saying they transform the look and feel of their backyard spaces. Assembly is straightforward thanks to the included instructions and video guide, though users should note that a Phillips screwdriver is not included. Overall, the LUE Bona Adirondack chair set offers durability, comfort, and elegant design for outdoor living in 2026. Number 2. The Foin Folding Adirondack Chair Set of 4 is a practical and stylish outdoor furniture set designed for comfort, durability, and convenience. Made from upgraded HDPE, high-density polyethylene material, these chairs are built to resist fading, moisture, corrosion, and harsh weather conditions, making them perfect for patios, lawns, gardens, decks, and fire pit areas. The sleek black finish gives the chairs a modern appearance that easily matches most outdoor decor styles. One of the most useful features is the foldable design with upgraded safety retaining pins. The chairs fold flat quickly for easy storage and transport, making them ideal for seasonal use or smaller outdoor spaces. The chairs also include an innovative 4 inches to 1 cup holder tray, providing space for drinks, phones, books, tablets, or snacks while relaxing outdoors. Comfort is another strong point. The ergonomic design offers good back support, while the seat height allows users to sit comfortably with their feet touching the ground. With a weight capacity of up to 400 pounds, the chairs feel sturdy and supportive for most users. Customers especially praise the overall build quality, durability, and surprisingly easy assembly process. Although some users mention needing occasional screw tightening and note that the warning stickers can be difficult to remove, overall feedback is highly positive. For anyone looking for durable, low-maintenance outdoor seating, the Foin Adirondack Chair Set delivers excellent value and functionality for 2026. Number 1. The Plodlick Folding Adirondack Chair Set is a stylish and durable outdoor seating option designed for comfort, convenience, and long-lasting performance. Made from high-quality HDPE polyresin material, these chairs feature a realistic wood-textured finish that gives the classic look of wood without the maintenance problems of traditional wooden furniture. The black finish looks modern and blends beautifully with patios, decks, fire pits, poolside areas, and backyards. One of the standout features is the folding design, making the chairs easy to transport, store, and save space when not in use. The built-in adjustable cup holder and wide armrests add extra convenience, making it perfect for relaxing outdoors with drinks, snacks, or books. With an ergonomic 104-degree recline angle, the chair provides excellent back support and a comfortable seating experience for extended lounging. The chair is also built for extreme outdoor conditions. According to the manufacturer, it withstands intense sunlight, heavy snow, coastal winds, and salt spray without fading or cracking. Cleaning is simple, just wipe it down with a damp cloth. The sturdy construction supports up to 380 pounds, making it suitable for taller and larger users. User reviews praise the chair's solid build quality and attractive appearance. Overall, the Plodlick Folding Adirondack Chair Set offers excellent durability, comfort, and value, making it a great outdoor furniture choice for 2026. Thanks for watching our top 5 best Adirondack chair sets review for 2026. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect outdoor chair set for your patio, deck, garden, or backyard. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more outdoor furniture and home product reviews. Let us know in the comments which Adirondack chair set was your favorite. And check the description below for product links and latest deals.